Hey guys, welcome to Tech Parent. आज हम Dell MS116 की अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे. So अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे then like, share, subscribe. So let's begin with the unboxing. About the specifications of this mouse. This mouse comes with a DPI of 1000 DPI, and it offers really a good tracking on nearly all the surfaces. I have already used this mouse as my primary mouse for years. That became obsolete, so I bought this new mouse. So it also comes with a 3 years warranty, and yeah, that's it. The MRP of this mouse is 650 rupees, but it is listed on Flipkart nearly 300 rupees. It generally in offer days it also comes under 300 rupees. So it is really a budget friendly, a nice mouse. It is actually a great wired mouse options. You can actually check it out. So that's it for the video, and subscribe my channel for more such informative content.